President Vladimir Putin, under pressure from the Washington to show willingness to make peace in Ukraine, proposed on Monday bilateral talks with the Kyiv for the first time in years and said that he was open to making ceasefire deals after a one-day Easter truce that failed. Also separately, the Ukrainian President Vladimir Zelensky confirmed Kyiv was sending a delegation to London to meet with the United States and other Western countries on Wednesday. The London talks are a follow-up to a meeting in Paris last week in which the United States and the European states discussed ways to end more than 3-year-old war. Also, Putin, speaking to a Russian state TV reporter, said that the fighting had resumed after his surprise 30-hour Easter ceasefire, which he announced unilaterally on Saturday. Also, both countries accused the other of the violation of the Putin's truce, which the Kyiv had largely dismissed from the outset as the stunt. Also, Washington said that it would welcome an extension of the truce. Zelensky, who has called for it, is to extend it by the 30-day ceasefire to more and on the civilian targets as well, said the continued Russian attack has also dealt with the major blows. Also, in his comments, the Putin said that Moscow was open to any peace initiatives and expected the same from Kyiv. Also, when the president said that it was possible to discuss the issues of not striking the civilian targets, including bilaterally, the president had in mind negotiations and discussion, which the Ukraine side Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov told the reporters, according to the Interfax news agency. Zelensky made no reference to Putin's remark on the bilateral talks in the comments on X, announcing the Ukrainian delegation for the London talk. Also, Ukraine, the United Kingdom, France, and the United States, all we are ready to move forward as constructively as possible, just as we have done before, to achieve an unconditional ceasefire, followed by the establishment of a real and lasting peace, Zelensky wrote, adding that he has good discussions with the Prime Minister Keir Starmer of the British origin. Also, earlier on Monday, Zelensky said that his forces were instructed to continue to mirror the Russian army actions. Also, the nature of the Ukraine's actions will also remain symmetrical. The ceasefire will be met with ceasefire, and the Russian strikes will be met with the Russian strike and our own defense. Actions will speak louder than words, he wrote on X. US President Donald Trump and Secretary of State, that is Marco Rubio, both said on Friday that Washington could walk from the peace talks altogether if the sides do not make any progress within days. Trump struck a more optimistic note on Sunday, saying that he's hopeful that the two sides would make